Stay loud, stay loud.
Loud. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rahul, and these are my allies. He is Divya, and he is Suti. Here, today we discuss about the private job versus government job, and we separate the government job. Under government job, we know that there is many uh, mm, uh, 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 there is many securities in the government job, like a hospital bills and uh, your, uh, your, like rent and many insurance given to the government, and also many subsidies given to the government. And you know that the government job is one of the secure job, because when you are a government employee, that means you are a permanent until 60 years. That's it for my side.
I agree your point. Your points are valid. I want to say that government jobs are good. When you go to the government office, some government sector, you found some laziness and laziness of the workers. When you go to the private job sector, you focus and you found some healthy environment, like the higher level people, lower level people that work like a team. They coordinate each other and they work very hard for their future and for their dreams. In government job, we have not any dreams. We just work under someone's government employee.
So I appreciate your point, but I think in private jobs, like you have said that the government employees are so lazy and the private employees are so active in their work, because I think in government job they get much more payment. Okay, and the support also over there. But in private job, the employees do a lot of hours work, and definitely their health also will be get very much affected with that. But in government job, they are flexible hour to work, so there is no stress over there, and obviously they have the very much secured job. So why do they get stress? But in private jobs, the employees are so much stressed and not very much health conscious, and so I think that's my point for
Okay, I agree with some of your points, but you said that government employees get more money. I have never seen a government employee get more money than a private employee. So private employees usually get more money. And you said they have lot more skills than any government employee. They can work for some more time, but they also develop their skills. And there is, you said there is job security in government jobs. I don't think so. There are always transfers. People get transferred from one place to another, and there is people can go from a city to a village, and they don't like it. In a private job, if there is transfer, you can leave the job and apply for another private job, which can get you paid more. So there is a lot more possibility of increasing your money and your skills in private jobs. So that's what I think.
I appreciate your points, but my point is that in government job, the salary is fixed and the pressure is less comparing to private job. In
learn something, and like there like, not many holidays, like some festivals are there. From one month they made they give the holidays, and there is no transfer is there in private job. That's all.
Conclusion.
So the conclusion is very
No.
simple.
Say something.
So see, in government job, it's not that very easy to crack a government, right? But in private job, it's not that difficult to get that. Government job, the seats are very much good, and obviously in India there is also the caste sequence is there. So everyone don't get that opportunity to come over there, and I think the government employees deserve this, because they do hard, they work hard, they study hard to get their government job, and obviously they will get much more money than private job.
I appreciate your points. Your points are valid. Some of points are and I think when the government seats are vacant, there are too many politics available in the government. Like his friend's uncle's son, his MLA's son, his MLA's favorite party's son are available in the private government.
So for in private,
No, that's basically not that in private, because in private owners they have a next level mindset. They have to focus their goals. For their goals, they basically they don't hire that kind of things. They hire some efficiency and effectiveness persons. I think private jobs.
Yeah, you were right. But the pressure is less in government job as compared to private job. And you also you take some examples that government job is simple job, and you also pressure to getting government job, not a private job. And one more thing, if you getting a government job, you will get married. You act in this, and it is not in a private job.
So I agree with your point, but as you told that government job is more secure, but I think it's a thing of the past. Nowadays government jobs are not secure. I think means there is so much corruption that people they get arrested, and you can see on the TV IPS officers getting arrested for money laundering and corruption. So there is lot more corruption in government sector. And in private sector there is literally no corruption. I think means there are always the money is always goes down the money always get distributed to all the employees that deserve it. Means in government job you are given promotion on the basis of your seniority, but in private job you get the jobs according to how do you produce your results. So I think private jobs give you better opportunity to take your career forward. So that's what I think.
I appreciate your points, sir, but in government jobs, the payment are same as the housework. But whenever we do less work or take more holidays,
appreciate your point, but I want to say that in government you have to you think today I go to the but in private job we go for the daily we go for daily job and there is very much you have to go for many you have to get attention about all that and you have to do a lot of work you have to do you never get late and you have to do many they distribute the work many employees are doing and also in private job you have to their fees something they something related and that's it.
In conclusion, continue.
There is a point, ma'am. Listen. In government job, we have all the facilities. Look, we have you have the salary rate is also very much high. Not very much, we can say as little bit high or very much high with comparison to the private job. We have the insurance policies over there. We can get free. We have the allowances like travel through railway, so we get that free in free. And the main thing is that we are secure. Okay, so you don't have to think that what will you do tomorrow. Okay, because you know that the result is just that you have that job and you will get paid for it because you have done it in past party you are here for.
I appreciate your point. Government jobs and government gave their employees too much they give us medicine, they give us 1 month vacation in the 1 year, they give us proper house for the but in private jobs they don't give you that because private employees are not satisfaction because they have to rise more and more, they have to earn more because they have to earn more because they have some dreams to follow and achieve something. And I think these things are good because when you don't have a dream, you are not successful in the real life. Government will give you this kind of things because you have to under pressure and think that if I leave the job, I may very regular and I get some downfall in my life. But in private job, they teach you and they you how to fly.
Okay, he is supporting your point, but I am giving one important about the subject. So, whatever you do in the sector, they are controlled by the government and accountable. And the important one is if you doing something wrong, you should report to the government. And I think you are getting about it.
Yeah, I appreciate your point, but I think that in private job there is more opportunity. In also private job there are allowances in companies like TCS, Tata, and in other good companies, IT companies, they give TCS they give allowances, health facilities, insurances. So it's not like they don't give anything. They have also have many holidays you can take it. But as you said that everything comes under the government at the last. But I think the company is also an independent company. It can take its own decision. It can take its own decisions. It can give jobs according to his own decision, its own decisions. The government has little to very less influence on the government, on the private sector.
What is the conclusion point? Sir, I am giving the conclusion that both the sector of the a company help to develop the country by giving some contributions. And
Right, sir.
Both government and private jobs are good. When you want a secure life, you go for the government job. If you take risk and grow more, then you select private job. And both jobs are very good.